Hi everyone, I'm Bhavya Hasni. In today's session, I'm going to explain some important JavaScript basics, variables, arrays, functions, objects, and loops. I'll be writing code step by step and showing you how each part works. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of these concepts. Let's get started. Let's start with variables. Variables are like boxes where we store information in JavaScript. We can create variables using let, const, and older var keyword. So in here, I've used let for name, const for age, and var for city. Here I used let's print them out. Notice that how the output will come. Here, let and const are modern and preferred, while var is older and behaves differently in certain cases. Variables can store different types of data, strings, numbers, booleans, and more. Let's see some examples. Here we have a boolean, a decimal number, null, which means empty on purpose, and undefined, which means it hasn't been assigned a value yet. Coming to the arrays. Arrays are lists that can store multiple variables. We can add and remove items from arrays using built-in methods. Here we have list of fruits in an array. We can also loop through an array to see all its elements. Now let's run the code and see how the output will come. Next, coming to the functions. Now let's look at the functions. Functions are reusable pieces of code that perform a specific task. Functions can also take multiple parameters. We have also arrow functions which are shorter, and we can even give a parameter a default value. Now let's run the code and see how the output comes. Coming to the objects, objects store information in key value pairs. Each key is like a label for its value. Here I have some set of code. We can access properties using dot notations, and we can also add new ones anytime. Here we added country. The greet method uses this name to access the object's own data. Let's run the code. Here's how the output for the given code. And now finally loops. Loops help us run the same code multiple times. The for loop runs a set of number of times. We can also use a while loop which runs as long as condition is true. And the do while loop runs at least once before checking the condition. We also have the for off loops for arrays and the for in loop for objects. And this is how the output is printed for the given code we have written in the loops. So there are various loops that are written in this code. Now, so in this video, we will learn about variables, objects, loops, functions, and arrays. In the JavaScript, these are the building blocks for creating any program in JavaScript. With these concepts, you can start building interactive websites, games, and applications. Thanks for watching and happy coding.